Hello friends, Mia and today we're here at Disney Springs. We're here to try a little fall or Halloween treat. We are mainly here though to go to World of Disney because we are picking up something huge, large. You know that Mickey pumpkin in Disneyland? It's not that, but it is a smaller version of that. All right, let's go and have a good time as always. Okay, Ricky, how much is the pumpkin apple tart? How much, Ricky?
$8.
Ooh, Ricky, what are you eating? Let's see. Look at that. Oh, those little pearls in there. Edible pearls. There's some chocolate on the bottom. Let's open this up first and see what it looks like on the inside. Ricky, how does it taste? How does it taste, Rick? Good? What is it? Pumpkin apple tart.
Pumpkin apple tart.
I'm gonna give it a try and see how this tastes. Okay, I don't taste too much apple. A little bit, very mild. I taste a little bit of pumpkin. Yeah, I taste a little bit of the apple. It is so mild, but it's delicious. There's something on the inside. Let me show you guys what it is. Here, there is some apple. It looks like caramel, but it's not. It's like apple, like a cidery apple. It tastes really good. Let's let Ricky try it. Here you go, Rick. Good? Thumbs up or down? All right. The music here is so loud at Disney Springs. I mean, they could tone it down a little bit because like I have to yell and you can't really hear Ricky talking. Anyway, from here we're heading into World of Disney. So let him enjoy and I'll meet you at World of Disney. What is that? Chocolate. Oh, okay. Chocolate with some crunchies in it. Ooh. Looks like a crackle bar. But it's not. It's an Amaret's version of a crackle bar. World of Disney, here we come. We're here. Where's our pumpkin? We actually put it on hold. Hey you guys, check out these new Halloween bags. Isn't this so cute? This is adorable. Donald and Mickey and Goofy and Minnie and Pluto and the haunted house in the bag. So cute. How much are these? $5.99. Wow, these are spectacular. Check out this foolish mortal hat, guys. This haunted mansion lounge fly. It's awesome. It has the majority of the ghosts. Well, the most popular ghosts. And Ricky, come here, bud. How much is the lounge fly?
$85.
$85 for the haunted mansion lounge fly. Okay, Ricky, what do you have there? What is it? What is it? Mickey pumpkin?
Mickey pumpkin.
Yeah, like the one at Disneyland, right? Yeah, there it is, you guys. We got ours. Yay! Okay, you guys, we're gonna do an unboxing when we get home. So let's go to my house and let's go unbox this. Let's go. Let's go? All right, let's go. Okay, we're home, right, Ricky? You gonna open your box? Okay, it's right over here. Let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a knife to open this box. Hold on, guys. You ready to pull it out of the box? Go ahead. Pick them up. Pick them up. Oh, take them out of the bag, dude. Hold on, you guys. Let me help Ricky here. Got the plastic? Oh, look. Good job, Rick. Look at you doing that yourself. Don't drop them. Don't drop Mr. Pumpkin. Oh, here, let me help you, big guy. Okay, pick him up. 2 hands. Show everybody your Mickey Pumpkin. Just like in Disneyland, Rick. You like him? Yeah? Okay, we'll be decorating with him this Halloween. Welcome to our home, Mickey Pumpkin. And on that note, you guys, we will see you
Very soon.
Bye, everybody.